Welcome back to Team Ez TV. Today we are sprint car racing at the Berg. It is $20,000 to win tonight. So the pressure is on old Team Ez to get up on the wheel. Got to qualify good. Qualifying kind of sets tonight. We drew, I think he said he drew like a 26, but we're going to go out fairly early. Back in the Jim Simon 23. We even got, so Kyle Simon is my wrench, he's my guy, and Landon Simon is his cousin. So there is a relation there. Yeah, about to go to a driver's meeting, see what's going on with the drivers. As always, thanks for watching Team Ez TV. Really couldn't do this without all the viewers. And hey, don't forget to go tell a friend and try to get me some more subscribers so I keep enthused with this whole thing. You know, it's a lot of work I've been putting into this, but I have a lot of fun with it. It's kind of tough. You know, we've been racing for big money lately, and you know, keeping a positive attitude and like, it's just stressful, you know, like we have a car capable of winning, and you know, like the nerves are there, so it sometimes makes the videos kind of tough. I really love all my YouTube fans, so thank you so much for watching. We got, oh, we need to put that on my seat. We'll put that on my, is it a sticker?
Yes.
Throw it on my seat wherever you want, like right there is fine. That way it stays with me for a while. So
it's a big swing.
I was just telling Team Ez TV how like the pressure is tough when there's money on the line. So tonight is 20,000 to win, but there's like 10,000 on the line if you're not a USAC top 10 points guy, which I'm not. So like I've already had a bunch of people, like Kyle's a nervous wreck, everybody's like, and it makes
also had to be really fast here last race, right?
Well, we were fast last time, you know, but it doesn't matter because every night's new. You got to draw all right, which we did. So like after qualifying, you know, we're sitting 6th or 7th, 5th, 6th, 7th, like, man, it's game on. But if we, you know, don't qualify well, then it's like, okay guys, like race, let's right? Yes, like so personally, I don't ever race for the money. Even last week, like I was going for the win just for Indy, you know, like, and because the money really just tampers with me, you know. I don't have any money, you know, like I YouTube for an extra $1,000 a month, period. That's, you know, like this is my job now, so I'm not always smiling. It's money. I
don't even want to talk about money with this guy. I'm too nervous to talk about money.
He the wing racer.
I know, right?
Wing guy.
Rolling.
Yeah. Dude, you were rolling. When you split Wyndham in that 7 Darren Ida,
yeah,
I kind of was
that was
for
very stupid.
You went and then you lifted and then you just gassed. I was the next car. They were 3 wide, and you can tell he like thought about it.
So were you like really good and then got to...
I mean, I blew right to the field, and I got to like 10th, and then we all were just like
dicing.
3
like,
wide.
You got to Wyndham, and Wyndham was like not having it. He wasn't going backwards.
He was throwing bombs.
Oh, and you know he was pissed the whole time.
He was throwing bombs.
It was fun. Yeah, so it's tough with wing racing. So guy will slide you, and then like I'm up top just ripping laps. Well, then I come off at 2, and I had so much speed. It's like run up on a guy, you just peel left and go, you know, like.
You were bashing the cushion. And it was over the edge, and you were just...
I didn't even know, so I literally had no idea.
It was over the edge, and he was just hammering it.
Yeah, Lane, I was like, man, it just kept flying the nose. And John's like, yeah, that's because you were bashing the curve. It was like, I couldn't even tell. It's winged down this way. And I couldn't even tell.
Great.
It was awesome.
Fuck yeah, that would be good.
Your stuff was good.
The stuff was good. Old John Farrell, like, this shit was dialed. were one of the first cars to qualify, so I wasn't able to get the camera on top. I was stuck in the car. But here we go. Lawrenceburg qualifying is always thrilling.
This one's going to be one to watch. That's T-Mez, Thomas Mesron of San Jose, California. Simon Racing, Matt Westfall Fabrication, number 23K, and joining him, T-Mez goes second quick, a 13.905, 13.905, lap number 1. First lap for Briggs Danner. Fires it across. He's going to be fifth quick on the field, a 14.247, 14.247. Mesrall, good line, coming out of 4. Quick time, 13.770, 13.770 for Mesrall. Danner looks better on the second lap as well, and he is, but he stays fifth quick with a 14.207. So Mesrall now your quick qualifier at 13.770, the number to beat.
Well, qualified as good as I could. They still got, I don't know, 15 cars to go, but we're good right now. Check and stagger. This thing, the right rear grew like 2 inches on us, which was not good. This place is big and fast, and you pretty much want to make sure you don't have a lot of stagger because it's big and fast. So far so good. So when the money is on the line, everybody gets super brave. Like I said in qualifying, man, you got to hang it out. And right after I qualified, old Matt Westfall was hanging it out, caught the fence, and glad to see him walking out away. That sucks. Oh, I hate that for Matt. Matt's my good buddy. Fresh off a USAC win out in the Midwest. All right, we ended up fourth quick, pretty solid. We're in the first heat, start fifth. So we just got to run fifth to get out of the heat race.
Past that can, you see it just out on the edge of the racetrack. So the officials looking straight out across that. We get set to cut them loose. 8 laps the distance. The pace already picking up. Crum down on the inside. Moffitt to the outside. Good start up front. We're underway. Toss him down into the corner. See what comes out the other end. Crum's going to slide up across the racing surface. 3 wide for the number 3 spot. Coming out of the corners. Baloo split the eye and the needle and moves into third on the field for the number 12 car and hang on to it. A little slip of the grip for T-Mez. He'll slip down across. Gives up another spot to the 17 GP car as Jane Rogers slides into fourth. Now Mesrall coming back after fourth. Got a big run on the outside. Deep down into the corner, Crum, your race leader, up front. 26 car brings him across for lap number 2 as Baloo moves to second with the number 12 car. Moffitt tries to come back at him, not going to be able to do so. Mesrall is going to pick off the 5J coming out of the corner, move into third now for the 23K, and he'll slide up to the back bumper of the number 12. He's grabbing a little gravity onto the front chute, comes Baloo. Baloo slings it down into turn number 1 and 2, hot pursuit of Crum. Top 3 starting to pull away from fourth on the fields. Hang on to it. Moffitt slipped out over the cushion, got into the wall on the exit out turn number 2, and here's the run for the top spot. Baloo can't get there that time. Trying to get the door propped open. You'll see Mesrall trying to capitalize on his. Baloo slips the grip. Look out. Mesrall's got to grab the binders, both of them. Now give up real estate to Crum up front.
We just got done with the heat race. Ran third. They take 5, so that was good. As of now, we should start, I think, third or fourth in the feature. Do a normal deal, take some stagger out, move the right rear wheel in, some offset, like normal track going away stuff. Well, it is the calm before the storm. They are about to blow the horn. And it's been a crazy couple weeks. You know, we were racing at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway last week with the midget for $20,000. It's $20,000 a win tonight. I was in the wing car last night, and I think the wing car kind of helped, you know, because like you're just going fast. So we start 4th tonight, so the pressure's on. It's kind of taking the fun away from my night, to be completely honest. But, you know, that's part of being a professional race car driver. You know, the pressure's on to go win. My guys bolted brand new tires on the car. Kyle and Chuck been working their butts off while I've been watching. So, time to get my my safety equipment on and get out there. As always, thanks for watching Team STV. I'll see you out there.
Quick around the outside to Escapes for the 23Ks. They'll race it deep into turn number 3. To the wall and down off the banking they come for lap number next. Bezerol looking to strike. Here's a slide job. Goes after the race lead. Scoots across the snoot of the number 12 car into the number 1 spot for Bezerol in the 23K. Baloo trying to come back. Look out. Boy, he picked up the front end as Bezerol's over. Into the wall for the 23K. Looking to strike. Here's a slide job. Goes after the race lead. Scoots across the snoot of the number 12 car and into the number 1 spot for Bezerol in the 23K. Baloo trying to come back. Look out. Boy, he picked up the front end as Bezerol's over. Into the wall for the 23K.
Anything hurting on you? Just wind it.
Just seeing stars.
All right. Just take your time until you get out, all right? No rush.
I'm good.
Right next to the drink, probably.
Took an ambulance right out of the park, out of the track. Shattered dreams. What sucks the most is I feel like I let my guys down. Everybody, we had a car that could win, but I was going 110%. So if you end up in the ambulance, get you some oxygen. It helps.